17 minutes.
I'm scared.
I'm scared. You're good. My side, you're good. My side, you're good. My side, you're good.
I don't trust nobody.
Your side, good. Your side, good.
Damn, could they pull out even more?
Well, it would have been their fault.
I don't feel like dealing with that shit. Be criminal not to have actually own one of these and not have an exhaust on it, dude. I could just hear it. There's a cop there. I can just hear it. It's just burbling and it's just all stuck in there, bro. It wants to come out. Making sure that cop didn't pull out.
See that GoPro, be like, what you
do? Throwing and going. Free on thug. Can I turn here? You know, when I sold 2 of these and I drove them around, you know, it was cool. You know, I always liked them, but I didn't really like the exterior. I didn't appreciate them as much, but then once you get to be in the driver's seat for a few days and really experience it, I really have like a new profound respect for this car. I mean, it just does everything so well. And it sounds great. It looks great. The comfortability is super important. Would you agree?
One can care. That's me.
That's
Yeah,
him.
I have driven around like that square in CarMax, but I've gotten up to like 60 and I've also had it drive. I didn't even know about all that.
Yeah.
I didn't even know the transmission was dope. I just thought it sounded good.
You know, some of the C7s are, you know, 40, 50, 60 grand, but I would get a C8 for sure. The only other Vet I'd get is a C6. ZR1 is the only other contender, but if you, the C8s are just, I mean, phenomenal.
Yeah. I mean, a built C6 Z06.
My only concern would be like modifications by yourself. How extensive is that? Is it complex because it's mid-engine? Is there more that goes into it? I don't know.
I'll say it's definitely a lot harder. Because mid-engines are like...
I feel like you have to take off a lot more. I'm assuming, you know, obviously the covers and whatnot.
it's a lot harder to reach.
Yeah, and then on the non-convertible, the T-tops, I guess you take off the glass. There's a lot more to just unbutton to get in there.
If I'm not mistaken, the whole back end pop up.
I think you're right, to show off the engine. Maybe.
I remember helping my uncle work on a 914. That was a pain in the ass because it's mid-engine.
What's a 914?
Porsche.
Porsche. Okay, I figured that's what you're talking about. Why don't I recall what a 914 is?
because they're tiny. They're like a Miata. Great for
Oh,
racing,
I
but
know
they're
what you're
tiny.
talking about. Yeah, the 2-seaters.
Yeah.
I've seen a few of those on Facebook Marketplace, but they want like 10, 15 grand. I'm like, bro,
They're
just because it says
nostalgic,
Porsche on it does not mean you can gas that much money.
Well, I mean, you can get a 944 for like 4 grand, 3 grand.
Yeah.
But you're also.
I like the 944s. They're classic.
100 horsepower.
What's the movie? It's an old movie that shows this like hotshot guy in school when he's driving around in a red 944 manual. I can't remember. He's like got rich parents and stuff. I can't remember which movie it is. It's old. It's pretty neat.
There's a red one that goes to a crunch. I'm always like,
I want a Huracan, man. Shit, I gotta go.
pink turbo.
Please go.
Yeah, I'm about to say, get the truck. I'm just gonna get like a old ES350 and
Why do you want a truck though?
because I've always wanted.
I mean, I want a truck too, but like, do you need it?
I don't think anyone truly needs it unless you're a construction.
They're nice to
Dad?
have, that's for sure.
My dad don't need.
But they're so expensive, and like you have your dad's truck. Oh damn.
Crazy.
I think he just hit his hood. Yeah, he's screaming at him right now.
So C8 it is.
I mean, hey,
I'm not saying that, but like.
I'm not saying yeah. I wouldn't mind just driving some, an old Lexus, classy, tinted windows. I'm fine, and just have a cool car. Because I would literally drive the C8 every day. But I just get so bored, man. Like, it's not. People are like, oh, it's just a car. I'm like, no, it's not. I don't know what, man. It's just.
livelihood, personality.
Yeah, I don't know. It's just a feeling of being in something cool like this and having fun, and especially like spend it with somebody and or share the experience with other people, make content with it and put it out there so other people can experience it too. Yeah, it's just fun. But this is a great car though. I'm glad we got this one. I mean, I was looking at the 911s to rent out, even though they were more expensive, but I thought it'd be worth it. But they had that rule about being over 30. But
That'd be for next time.
yeah, maybe. Maybe like start the LLC and do that and write it off. This road looks awful.
I know where we are.
Yeah, the old Airbnb's right here.
Yeah, and that food truck.
I didn't want to do anything because that baby was there. What is this? That's weird. Oh, that's so nice, man. Cool. I need to switch out my sunglasses. I can't see.
Yeah.
This is a new way. Oh yeah, I remember all this.
Yeah, I mean, if I get one, exhaust and rims would be good first. That felt different.
That's what I do. It did feel good.
Did you feel different?
I'm gonna miss it.
I'm gonna miss that.
I'm good. real quick and turn around. Do a good pull. miss it.